California.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Scare Rider Collective. It is January 2026. The new year has begun. As you can see, we're at an Ollie, so let's go ahead and head inside and see what kind of models we can find. As you can see here, we got some 26 Model A Roadsters 2-in-1. These are from Revell. Price is $15.99. This is a kit that has a lot of extra parts in it. I have one of these in my stash and I opened it up, and you can build this kit two different ways. So after you're done building it, however you want, you will have some goodies left over for the parts bin. So this might be something that was overstocked from maybe Hobby Lobby. Now we have the Revell reefer truck. So this is the trailer for a semi that is a refrigerant. So here you can see it built up, and it looks like the back does open, and there's a look at the underside there, and there's the refrigerant part of the semi with a polar ice. Here we got a Big Chief. This is an Atlantis kit. Let's see, the price is not on this one. So $13, $12.99. Let's see what else we can find here. All right, got some wacky racers. Looks like a whole case. Now these are pretty prevalent in a lot of Ollies. Got the price tag on upside down, but it's $12.99 as you can see. So round 2 NPC. And then we got a battleship over here, USS Missouri, Revell, the Mighty Mo, US Navy battleship. And the price is $15.99 on that one. Let's try to flip this big box around here. And there's what it looks like built up. So not really my forte. Let's see what else we got here. AMT kit. This one does have a hobbies tag from Hobby Lobby. It says $30.99. There's one down here. AMT PT-109 John F. Kennedy patrol boat. So there's that $30.99 from Hobby Lobby. And there's a photo of the real ship and some decals. And here's a look at the parts list on the back of the box. And we have up here's another Atlantis kit, Corvettes space shuttle, space shuttlecraft, made in USA, $12.99. Atlantis. Got a few of those. And here's a look at the decals. Let's go ahead and check out the diecast here at Ollie's. Got some Johnny Lightning. Here we have a SSR Chevy. So if you're a fan of the SSR, $3.99, so $4. Here's a Toyota FJ Cruiser. Let's see what else we have back here. We have a Dodge Viper 2014. Then we got some pink slips, so Jada. Let's see what we have here. An Audi R8 Spider. Let's see what other Johnny Lightnings he got. Okay, got a Chevy Citation. And another Johnny Lightning Chevy Camaro. So got 2013 Chevy Camaro. And looks like got another Viper, another Camaro, So another Jada Pink Slips, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon G500. Got some majorette. So Toyota van. Another majorette. $399. So seems like they got a good selection. A Jeep Wrangler pink slip. And some NASCAR Authentics. See what all they have here. A few different ones. I'm not well knowledgeable when it comes to NASCAR, but we'll go ahead and keep looking here and see what all they have. Here's some different ones here. So number 17, number 24, as well, $399. Here's some more different ones here. Number 99. Number 17 again. So it seems like they got just a few of the select drivers. Let's see what this purple one is back here. Number 99. Oh. Try not to make a mess here. And number 24. This one's different. Number 53. And number 17 again. All right, so we managed to find some more models. Here we got a Monogram 79 Pontiac Firebird Street Machine. This is what it looks like built up on the box there. Let's see, price tag $15.99. So the price has went up on the Ollies models. Here we have something a little bit different. Star Wars Strikes Back. The Empire Strikes Back. This is Boba Fett Starfighter NPC. So a little bit of sci-fi fantasy kits here at Ollie's. And here's what it looks like built up. And here's another image of it. Got Boba Fett in there. Pretty cool. So $15.99 is pretty big looking box. So here we have something from Return of the Jedi, ATST, the Authentics. So snap kit from NPC. This is what it looks like. Looks like it might come with two different displays, backdrops. And here's the whole lot more of them. So it looks like the whole case. Let's go ahead and put this one back with the others. And then we just got some more of the USS Missouris, the Mighty Mo from Revell. So this is, I guess, the case for those. And here we have Revell 67 Corvette. So take a look at that built up on the box. And got some few more back there, so let's go ahead and take a look. There's more Corvettes, and got something different. Monogram Dodge Viper RT, Dream Rides RT10. So let's take a look at that built up. And that is $15.99 as well. Got some more of the Corvettes. There's the case for those. Let's see what else we can find here. Got an MPC Retro Deluxe Pontiac GTO Super Stocker, part of the Super Stocker series. Goodyear bonus pad printed vinyl tires. Look at the decal sheet. Got the parts list on the back there. That was also $15.99. Let's see what else we got. Snap tight Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Snap tight Max. Revell. And we got some more models here. These ones are $19.99. Got the Ram Chargers Dragster and the Transport Truck here. Retro Deluxe MPC, $19.99. Got a front engine dragster with a stretched out Diora to haul it. Definitely gonna get one of these. Let's go ahead and look at it a little bit better here. So there's the dragster with the stretched out hauler. So 2 model kits for $19.99. So it's pretty much paying $10 a piece. So pretty good deal. Definitely gonna take this one home.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.